ナウレイの교봉아 누난 와르기 칸 약트고 ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ 미차 ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ nami nuna khaatana mangata tabane tasiwak doalo silatane do khadoi tabunga panukto mitsanu mamanna kamagi yaw garalok smayo kimmego mitsa sande akaba kamay wadu garalokta kanilak kya kamay kanilak soyakpo tamamani ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ ikharumyo toktawata tamani myo tamene ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ taununga takhol duano unungalu tukjanu tabung panuktomu unika garannya ngata amatikwa nami ukad gatana mangata kinakudlo tukusika suara wata dan piyak pedar ta tamani khanum myo tokta gata tamani ikharui sane ani gala tanai ikharui niakhungo lono khabulok tindago ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ garan kalima garakisi kinakko tamani mo togarastana mangata dunni taununga qadunni atta pibikilong tuabi garalta khai ila
wara pitsine itol piakko hajime yakka
pitsimiutai you got pen? That's okay. Now can pixi wane una takruwa nga
pixi wan
okay pixi kagtamitin na
aga
nuwane
nuwane
pixi
takga tol piakko samayo si pikkot tabakko galay
ame kutu galak tutana samayo si pitakan
no samayo si it was one of them in pixi with tol piak can you write them down pixi samayo si Itu rupiah itu
mau tiket kayu ini tapang mau tiket ini tapang mau abu mau takko
was in a pixi that's where the upangmit in pixi takko itu rupiah ko itu rupiah ko mani mo to so gatta option le galim to rupiah
ko tamani
ashu
ilo to ma ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ anai ko naksamni ilo to ma
makore whatso kammabi inur tillusilli sogusakara tillusi taitsimani kammabi kinakkunne inokaro tan ka tukusimat rawangirasi
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ takisiane
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ sikisi
ada orang bukan ナᓗナイᓅᓕᕕ미니ᓐ
kitengakko his father before after Nubuksaga kingdom maybe so many years later his father's kittuya lived in Yusipi kittuya Yusipi kittuya
tu sama tu nya takka She was what y'all the panic to me.
That was before they were born. Before he was born. Yeah. It seems like seems like it's just a story now. But they were living there.
ᓃଉᓐᓂᓅ ᓃ감이 ᓃ마니미우유디미닝아. 자치마타탕아.
ᓃ우ᓐ니ᓅ 그미누마. His father was with his grandmother.
유십기.
With his grandmother. He was raised with his grandmother. He's
with his grandma?
Yeah. His grandmother, his parents were living there.
With Jacob's grandma?
No, his grandma.
Oh.
시골에 갔고 애육돈에 그러면 애육돈에 접비간.
대마 그 삐꼬에 녹동네 오락할.
고 애육돈에 있고 시골에.
Pedle gatto minumata. He said Giuseppe get to his family there before they were starving. They were right starving. They had no choice to cannibalize. They started eating other humans. Because they had no choice. They were starving. Yeah. He said they had no choice but to eat the dead. Asuli tukisiga suartuluwakko kano inuktunnigu tanam kano kinakko ng mga asuli ko sibulibu. Kuwa kisi aurat sibi nuna kapluro artan ng ituli techumane.
Kaya matawali.
Mani kita pasal mani kap makam tapaliyo.
Odi tatu no kanya ni tama. Kikon no nata. Akakaku layo. Kikoni kya.
Akakalina mani gata daning ito.
Mani
utamin din na.
Tawangan. نورانيات لوحنا متما وخمة خمي تماني مي وعلى وقت متى تكون نغكو تيميل تقيقيو كله تسيولا أمي ومبالي متى
Wane ؤkiأَنُّلِمِّ wane tagauna nuna kapamilagin mauna wane ito wane nga asyo kinakko
kodukko nukare samani mi umabalo
lokatiko koduk tikivik family. They were in Hidden Bay. No, this one here, not Hidden Bay. One. Tasiwyak. Yeah. Ikwari sagyak tukuli kwa kimirumingan ni kuinay. Aha. Okay.
Tikira tabanila cuma nak aja beliau.
Yutrikku tamakwa sohiulu titauna ni lak simanikwa luju.
Tikira me.
Tikira yung.
Tabali pacana.
Tikira rin.
Ubah. Kaya tikira.
Tikira. Kuai karu kang tu kuai. Kuai karu di kantoru buku kantoru karu. Ijusun ni karungin. Dipilin. Di cek ni tak.
Ikhal palu.
Ikhal palu. Ayu tiapi.
Ayu tiapi.
Ijusum nakturo yak. Kinago?
Sagya tukut.
You know,
Sagya
you know that old lady are
Oh,
old there.
yeah.
Her husband, Sagyak, they were living here that time. Around here.
With her?
Tikigalo.
Inuapik's husband?
Yep.
With her?
Inuapik ko na with Inuapik, yeah.
That's her husband's name?
Sagyak.
Inuapik, may ilaw palitin na.
That was before he was with Inuapik. Amma kinain isok tumiyo tamin ni tema sukuta ngay.
Tamar chao.
Uwane tema umiyamin kultab manipong. Sukuta umiyamin nga. Isok tumiyo tamin ni. Short issue. He was in here in Noble Inlet. Is it Noble Inlet in English? Nakisigo, isokto na. Isokto.
Takan ito siya may pikik kaya
Short issue, yeah. That's Salomon's father. His old wedding boat in here. Still down there. Over on this side, but it's on Lake Harbor side, but still, we still go here from ᓃ. ᓃ. That's where who's that? Now that's my Sheikh's name's cousin, Ipek Biaro. Ipek Biaro. Ipek Big. Ipek Big Laita.
Laita?
Yeah.
First name, last name?
First name Ipek Big, last name Laita.
And the camp's name?
What?
What's the name of the camp?
The name of the camp, ᓃ. Lots of fish over there, lots, millions. Ikaru lagayautan na. So ikaru. Sukangan ni ikaru kanak siya. Ay tiarita. Ikaru siya barong. Ukwa manik to the maidon at siya tasi kuli ikaru linay. Kuwa. Taon umaw. Ay mga ngautilog mita. Takot sakbay nihadla sukusiw tilo si unikata yung mata anikuman itilugi unikarok yung hanak ko sukusiw tilo si ubikaw pada kay mingok tumi laksman nikatsi.
Mingok tumi hatay minguguli.
When they were kids, sukusiw taban mingok tumi they were brought up. But ᓃ8시 my psychologist, he was born in ᓃouᓐᓂᓅ. 1947. That's where my family camped. Tamani tillu ikani laksma bisili mani tillu inu tillu kolor tillu. When he was born in this area with his family, Lukat's family, and my family side, my uncles and my father, they were living over here in ᓃouᓐᓂᓅ when ᓃ8시 was born. And my father's they were here. They had a camp over here. ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. My father's side.
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ inuunikuaru inuksulimmi.
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ ubane. ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. My father was born here in ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Tagauna. ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Tagauna.
Urunganinuqattami.
And my uncle here was born in Nogatak, Bruce Island, but Nogatak. He was born. And I don't know where, but it's out of the map over here, this one.
I don't know what
Kisual pinaukalimiano kangianito. Sapikataino katiluko sukkuikiyaka.
Kangiliaqtuin.
Kangiliaqtuin.
Taakkuninga haarikkallau palautukunni ataatakkugiini yuumikkunni. Taanna taimanga tatungangillu pekualluti tappikane luliari tututi taimanuna tukaalugi palauttanga.
Kinakkugo?
Haarik yuumi.
Haali Jume?
Akisujumi ulautukko.
Oh. Kangiliaqtunne. Akisu, you know, remember, Akisu Yomi's husband used to, when they were kids, used to live in a time of Kangiliaqtung. No.
Sapika una nubukolutang.
They
They
were living here in the point. Kangiliaqtung. That's Akiyomi's husband, Akisuyomi.
Imeli palautunganna angiluilluli tamaani namigalalu qaulimaya haqatsi tamaangalikkangaliaqui tamatta qaulimayallu takka angiluillu apersuuttaulugussi namugalalu qaulimagatsi taakkuari ataatakku tamaani inaulauami nuugunnahattalaungammata qaulimaya hangitsiagamari tamaani asiani tamatuma imeilio palautu
Asuli. Nukali tukulun ngattauqa. Ilaw stawatan tukulun.
Umehalawatilu.
Akisuyume. Oh, aha.
Umehalawimata.
Asu. Ihita.
Tanaluli akkabu jimi umehalawmateikkunani miutawarautulliteiktua. Pannaktuuliam Amerikisiani tappaunga umeangaluna saktauni utappaunga yummata.
Sana tapakka apilakay kalappa sana ilaulittuun.
Ilaulittuun.
Supi sokosiubigilauksimun mijagam.
Ilaulittuutagga.
Sokosiulutsunga.
Tampani nunakapit urane.
Ila nunakapito kami niungittumi. Innari ilaulittu taabaninga nunakapiunikkuubine ukeerlibiuqattartumine ataatama anaananga taikani tuqulooqsimammarittumina.
Tutullingani.
Akka.
Aujuttoquluqattauyuumi taikani. Akkiani.
Akkielmaani.
Sabban.
Kinakkugu?
Tamakku
annakala sabban miumutillugu haavisilautuga.
Oh,
Akkabu.
ᓃauᓚᓅ. He's my great uncle. He's their uncle. Used to live here most of the time in Ilaulittu.
Ukeerlibillaqiittumineerlitaina tamaani ataan anaanangatta tuqubimininga ukeerlibittuqaminaaluguatsiagu.
This was a very old campsite. Now
Naulaqaatami nunapitituqaalua Atapin.
Aturma, my namesake's old land. No, I got lots of piece of land.
Puhamaku na lagi batik kami naula ata meroktugo naja nuijaw iberoktugo.
Ta asuli.
Tay maglikwa, tay melingaroktun.
Saya macam pangata, saya macam itu kajang.
Tinto kaya tega. Tinto kaya ko o tinto kaya.
Tinto ko da.
Oh, tanya ito kape.
Kamahak pa yung minaguro.
Oh, here.
Inukalaw mo yung tana.
Inukak pa daw tutukalok daw.
Old campsite over here, Torsten.
Tamag kuming
Tinto
na po.
kaya.
Tinto kaya?
Ada pautik ko. Yudan ko. Dahil ko sila kakagilaw ito nga.
Tinto ko yami.
Ayak pau ko takwa tikibik ko ilang inay.
Siburingin nito. Ta na nuna tukalo ba daw to.
Ayak pau family lived here.
Ayappa?
Ayak pau. That's part of our Tikibik family. Ayak pau. Ayak pau.
Mukuha din na ro ko.
Ta kuming tumi tukalo ba daw
Ta
may
uli makuha.
ay niyakko.
Wala.
Akisyo atata kalaw ma ay niyami.
No?
Akisyo atata kalaw maani ay niyami.
Akisiyume.
Aga.
Oh, asyo. Kami ako ruga.
Mingok tumi tukalo ba daw tuday ko atata kungin.
My cousins, my uncle, Akishu Anyak. Anyak family lived in Mingokto. Tema, takako ilip kami na karako rita, takanawan.
Ila asing ilu lagi mili ilu kapayu.
Aha. Asyo.
Kalau na kakatan na dalawang miman.
Mingokto.
Ni waktu ulumi.
There used to be an old trading post down in Mingokto one time.
Kuya milu ba daw tuwari tao nunga.
I mean, Kuyay had was occupied too. Kinakulagan ito ng mga takalimarang ito kasi nga eh.
Tema Ppauᓗ시 ba daw tu kakas. Tao nunga takanani miwalo ba daw mayo.
Kuyang ni.
Ukun.
Ppauᓗ시 kakasi lived in Kuyay. Ppauᓗ시 kakasi. Nanuliag ka Aga.
Hai? Kano?
Kan la.
Nuliag kayo lang ah.
Her name, that's Ppauᓗ시's wife. Name.
Yuang.
Lived in Kuyay.
Bali tema ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ ang uto tinggi kumakuin na
No?
Watsia war tabban ikira kami ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ tema tamani ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ illo ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ ang uto itu ngagu ibu jaulune takanane. Kina miniguro kaya tikitsumaktu tundak buko ay pa tagima ibu jalu takundak tugu kamar lumago asin naringagarat tikipo
Ang kumanaka.
ay kuminago tayo ay pamininga tikisiga tikitsumaktu tundak tumina.
There was a story down around Roxanne area around here. There's an old campsite. He don't really know the names who were there, but there was a old man, and lots of ice were just going like on top of the flat ice flowage, and running ice was going on top of the ice. There was a man who got caught and got buried on the ice.
Whoa.
But I think he was a shaman, and the old man, and one of the men told him and said, "Now he'll be back," because he was buried, crushed from the ice. "Now he'll be back," and like people would think he died and whatnot. But about I don't know how many hours later, he came back with just a sore back. Yeah, he was a shaman. Yeah. True story too. But that was around here in ᓃauᓐ area, in this channel here.
What's the name there?
Tolong ko padlat at manali kau di tigidong na sip daw nga an nga
Teikku mattusuama yattuaga balautakka kullu tamakwa ata minalwaru tamane memu wannanga
Mani. They don't really know this area too much because they were morely on this side. Kuari tema mana kamagatagattigo taunua tongai kuyai tuapat juar opat ngabi makuagay nung nakabimino mata kinakun nuna toro at ng mga tarun niya kayo marongin latin o kayo mayawan kakwa tuapat juar opat ngabi nawyat ukua mani
taganali kihiyani akbanyatino na yoktawa tuminituwa bagwa hawyo mayaga
ățămᒪᓗ janai takwa ukua tuapat juar was mainly used for whaling station. Yeah, Tuapat Juat and Singaya, they were main whaling stations.
Tekkulu nubuillu.
And this year Nubuit here. And one time they had a camp over here, year round one time.
Temuksuktuawa
No skiddo, just dock teams.
Yeah, Nubi.
Hi, Nubui. Yeah, Nubui.
Tematto khamanuk lomi atatakkubi ᓃauᓐනිᓅ Tamani tema wallahi.
Mani gala. My fathers, they used to have summer camp over here one time in ᓃauᓐනිᓅ. My father's side. And my brother, my late brother, was born over here.
ᓃauᓐනිᓅ
When he was a baby over here. Na nukadyak tu namin kay pili. Ay pili nukadyak tu namin. Aga guro.
Nukatilokan lang
Asu. Ay may una singaya. Kinan mitsimakkuna hida.
Mitsimakkuna bumayulutik takanong umiyak tuminaguluni na ipitsitunaran na kutabang apitsuktutik takanong watuminiugalu ernissakai.
Mitsima.
Mitsim aga.
Umiyak tumini.
Umiyak tuminili tekkua
päuᓗ시고.
ᓗᓪᓚᓅ tamani ume tabbani utaqqilagulortuti tikitaavallianginnami tappikunga luttuttuminaaruin sunabagu tamani qajattuquluutillugu taina umeaqniva qaviyauningittuaru
Asuli.
umijasijuminagului tabbani.
There was a whaling station over here. Mitch and my family were here waiting for the boat. And the boat was around here, but they didn't see it. So they started walking over here, went back to here. But the boat was around here, the whaling boat. They didn't see it, they didn't find, but it's a shipwreck now over here somewhere. They run around somewhere here.
Naurina tuaputjua.
Tuaputjua, una.
Tautana makwati umijak piusimajuminan.
Pikasui.
Pingachuati.
3 times, there's 3 ships running around in Tuaputjua. That's when the other one is Snowdrop. Yeah.
Tematamana kattukutijuarugu.
Isaqsaubo. Umeaqtualuqmina.
Innari qasiya qallunaan.
Qallunaan tilline
Qallunaan.
Tana Tuaputjua maani tema kattukutibuqqaisuli sunakkutaaminaarui teikkunanga umijak pattuminarni tabbani.
I think there's still some artifacts down here buried from that old boat that sunk, and they all gather everything, and I think they buried them all, and I think they're still down there. We should go investigate. I should be okay. Then my daughter to go to car to my man, Tabani, Tuaputjua, Lumata. Mani kati mako doon ni pingaswi doon ni umat doon mininay. Mako kay. Mako mani. There's 2 old wedding boats over here sunk. My father told us before. But I don't know exact spot.
What?
Kayumini.
There were wooden boats.
Kaya umiatuin ako umitakul ato katabani. Atatayula.
Time kay take ko
Kiningatil ko umiatuin namin ako sa.
At low tide he
Isuwinatyato.
Go investigate. Kapanali ᓃouᓐনিᓅ yung kayo madong singay.
Ubangali.
Wako, taman no.
Укалеру миурту тарикисяни табанна tamanna upaqattariviaqaluaqa taanna nangiannartulialuusuungumimmat tappaungallaqi hattajungittunga
Taman ukiallisumalaqtuku vakullu tanatti tamansak.
1975 mi taunungarauillugu. Then when we moved from ᓃauᓐniᓅ to ᓃauᓐniᓅ, we moved here. That was ᓃauᓐniᓅ for 5 years, us, my family anyway. But in a long time, somebody occupied there for close to 10 years. We moved over here from ᓃauᓐniᓅ, ᓃauᓐniᓅ, we moved from 1975. And in 1985, me and my father's family moved to Mingokto. After 10 years later, we moved to Mingokto. And we stayed in Mingokto for about 3 years. Then we moved to Tungay. That's where my father wanted to be there because of good landing strip for airplane. And ever since we were there, until I met my spouse, I moved to ᓃauᓐᓂᓅ. But our camp is still there.
What's the name for Allen Island?
Allen Island, ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ.
Harwa uri ukhalau itati. Inu hokpalau mimbata.
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Una.
Harwa winuri tukhalu walau tutaimangat. Nibukti tapang akpaliarin nga tutaimangat.
From that bay, ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Ever since the trading post from here moved to ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ, Tigattumila, ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ was occupied all the time. Ever since they moved from Tigattu, and it was occupied all the time until they moved to ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Tại mấy nó dưới là ngay, nhà không có mua đọc mi thấp băng ngạc. Nhà không có mua thật rồi. Thì cái chú bà lê là cái chú mèo này.
Cái chú mèo đâu. Lúc chắc tất cả sao đọc xem mày.
Nhà không có một tôi tao nó ngọt thật.
Akishi was a person, he was with them. People trading Hudson Bay Company, I think. When they started moving here, he was with them most of the time. Actually, Kina Fudrikwa, Halikallah Roxmay.
ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ.
Oh, okay.
Tapi kan itu sebenarnya udah pelau.
Saya mau tahu kena kuiko. Ikilua ko Roxmay ko. What siya ko ikilua.
Ini kemero macam mana?
Kami dapat segumnya kesokor tengah yang tuan itu.
Ikut ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ. Tanah nuri yang ilagin dengan miu. Tabang ngau tidak semayang ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ.
Oh, kami gume. Oh, asu.
Karena jo ilag ulugumine rebelai jangan. Ikilua nuri yang.
Ano rin, kuha ka na nakablo ka doon namin mo yun. Like, kantok ka, umarlig, manak yung. Una yung nakablo mo nakawin, manak to ka rin.
Itu kan.
Укиәᓪᓕ, right at the point, there's no camp there. Old Whaling Station 2.
Tanah imat.
Still growing ever since potatoes. Still grows there and there. Yeah, they were farming, like they were growing potatoes there, right?
Lalu tema ᓃauᓐniᓅ.
ᓃauᓐniᓅ.
Tegak. Tegak tanah makwa patiti kuru waktu adjingin ᓃauᓐ니ᓅ.
The same thing here. ᓃauᓐniᓅ, same thing. They grow potatoes here too. Yeah.
What's the name?
Kisubo mo na?
ᓃauᓐniᓅ.
ᓃauᓐniᓅ.
Tegak tanah nuna happy suatu kau.
Imi morning nga imi old campsite on the south end.
Lalu tema naksi.
Naksi tuga.
Tamat makwa укиәᓪᓕ suwaru waktu.
And these here around there, these
Akong siyataw na.
Angong isyatabu.
these two Nazi, these two used to be occupied before they were born. Yeah. There's a lot of old campsites in here. Kaya manakta ko si Madakada. Manakapdami ng atat.
Temeri singaya me aulo tumina pepi masuri bayu yakalok. Ina muk tumina pe.
There's an old steam engine here in Singaya. Old steam engine. He always wanted to take them home. But I think it's still there. It's all brass motor.
Suhuli ka sa binarong eh. Ina muk tumina pe.
Kallu lamin ng kayo wayak matap wala amal pitin.
Ingay.
Kallu namin ilibig.
Sabani tanakalo namin ng rowan ito. Rowan eh. Ang fixing niya eh. Fixing down there's old whalers or what graves eh. Kaluna grave. There's one here. There's one in here. One in pig sheet. A few of them in pig sheet and a few of them over here. Yeah. They're old, from old whalers eh. Yeah. Dahil magadaw yakit pa. O baro.
Kallu bala bulli chibuli mo. Kallu mga tamani katak tumili ko na chibuli mo tamani ma.
Yeah. He said,
Naga singaya. Nuna kaya watan naman.
Ito kwalo.
Atata ko taka ano nakakatak na tuya tim.
Temang kataw na ilo kasuto kami narong.
Kaya kaya watan naman singaya.
Upinagan nila nurasya baru taon na.
ja, tahu aku cek kesini orang nak orang ngai, orang nak orang tu na. Manga roti juga.
Kaya temu ya singaya.
Kat jarak tuang tekat. Mendapat ya, kalau kesini anu kan. Warung, dulu cek ya,
Ima puari pegara tasatu. Titaw mo na ko akaw maakisu takulang mininga tudak tugu kisyanin nani janga. Dai makangat takatak tu mina. Tasatu.
Kan ni.
Kan itu aru.
Ano wa kaya?
Iyo.
One time when it was lots of wind from east, namigo, mani,
Ano?
katalyo.
Saku tamani kita ni kan.
Mani. Around here,
Ano wa kaya?
his uncle had a drum of gas, full drum. When it was very windy from the east, that full drum of gas blew away, went up in the air, started rolling. Yeah, lucky it didn't burst. He had that. You remember those days the barrels were very thick, eh? Very heavy duty. Nowadays maybe we just burst now because they're so thin, eh?
Tachaman kan ikinak to kaniyaro wala to. Manaw to ikinak nila tawag to.
One time he said it used to be very, very cold one time. Nowadays it's not as cold now. One time we used to go maungaro wateri sinanga maunga. Mingok gat to ga. One time ice used to form from here. It used to be all ice, eh? One time. Man, ice just over here like that. Like that. No more ice.
Ano wa kaya?
Look, it's only 1 degree make big difference, eh? Used to be right for eyes. And
Ama
after that,
au juitte wala to au paliado.
Igal.
all the snow fields we used to have around here, all the snow fields, not like these, but you know the small ones, the snow fields used to be lots. Now they're all gone, all melted now. It's because warming up. Yeah, that 1 degree make a big difference. You know. When I wait another few more years, maybe 2 degrees gonna be gone after it. You know. Over the years, kind of, we could actually see it now in a way. Yeah. Yeah, I could see it now because one time it used to be ice. Now there's no more ice forming up anymore.
Hala.